Hello 10th graders, how are you doing today? Get ready to start your mathematics lesson. Try to write and take notes. This is your teacher, Ms. Regine from Knowledge School. So before we get started, you have to know that we are on chapter 1, lesson 6, solving linear system by elimination part 2, which part 2 is about example 2, okay? So before we start to explain a second example, we have a note here. Sometimes it's necessary to multiply one or both equations by a number in order to produce opposites that will eliminate each other. This process is easiest when a variable in one of the equations has a coefficient of 1. However, it can be applied to more complicated. Here says that it is complicated, but it is not. System such as the one solved in example 2. If you understand, it will be complicated for you, okay? Just stay with me and focus on it. Example 2, the question says, solve the system by using elimination method. Make a difference between substitution method and elimination method. So elimination method cancel. You have to cancel one variable. Okay, cancel it, one variable to find the other variable. Here we have a system, which this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Equation 1, 2x plus 3y equals 1. Equation 2, 5x plus 7y equals 3. So multiply, so you have here 2 and 5. Multiply the first equation by 5 and the second equation by negative 2. Why negative 2? 2 cancel each other here. I mean, the value, the solution of this, of x, must go. Okay, you can also use y. Multiply 3 by 7 and multiply 7 by negative 3. It will be 21. Y with negative 21. They will cancel, and also you can find the value of x. But here, use it to cancel x and find the value of y. So added these two equations. Okay, this 10x and negative 10x are cancelled. 15y plus negative 14y, it will be 1. 5 plus negative 6 will be negative 1. Put the value of y in one of original equations, okay? Try to use the easiest equation. So equation 1 is easy. More easy than equation 2. 2x plus 3y equal 1. So 2x plus 3 times negative 1 will be a negative 3 equals 1. 2x equal 4. So divide 2x equal 4 by 2. Why 2? Because 2 is with variable. So x will equal to 2. So here it is, the solution. The solution is 2 and negative 1, which 2 is the value of x and negative 1 is the value of y. On the right hand, you have a check here. Check it to know that your solution is right. Okay, so by substituting 2 for x and negative 1 for y in one of the original equations. So also choose the easiest one. Okay, so we put in the first equation, which is 2x plus 3y equals 1. So put 2 here and y here. 2 times 2, 4 plus positive and negative will be a negative, okay? So 4 minus 3, it will be 1, which 1 equals 1. So your solution is true. It must be equal to this number. You have to solve this to find this, okay? So try to solve this, okay? 2x minus y equals 7, 5x plus 4y equals 11. The example 2 was on page 35. Try to open it. And also try to take a notes and write. If you have a question, write it down. When we have an online lesson, ask me your questions, and good luck.